Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make super easy pickled eggs. Can't be any easier than this method. So let's get started. And we're going to add cold water on top of that. So I'm going to start off with maybe 8 or 10 eggs. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, we'll do 10. Fit single layer on the bottom of this pot. And I'm going to add cold water to it and totally cover the eggs. Okay, so we want to bring this to a boil, and once it's been brought up to a boil, we will turn the heat off and cover it and let it sit for 15 minutes. That's the way to make hard-boiled eggs. Okay, we'll get back to you when that's done. Okay, my eggs have come to a boil. I'm going to turn them off, put a lid on, set the timer for 15 minutes. And we don't remove it from the burner that has heat on it. Okay. Okay, our time is up, so we will take the eggs off the burner now and run them under cold water, and we'll peel them. I have not had one crack. I find it easier to peel them underwater. Okay, that's one down. I'm going to put it in here to drain, and I'm going to peel them all, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, there we have it. Our eggs are peeled. And I've got a fresh mason jar. And I'll just load them in that. Okay, and the secret to making a super easy pickled egg is to use up your pickle juice, your pickle brine from already when you finish your pickle jar. This can be store-bought, this can be pickles you made yourself. Just pour it over. Now I do have a couple of pickles left in this, so I'll leave a little bit of brine in this. There you go. So you're just reusing the pickle brine that you already have from your pickle jar. And you put the lid on this, put it in the fridge for about 4 or 5 days, and should be ready after that. So that's how you make super easy pickled eggs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And thank you for watching. And by the way, these pickled eggs have not been canned, even though it looks like they're in a canning jar. That's just the way I store them. They must go in the fridge. You cannot put them in the cupboard. Okay, that's it.